Hey guys, so last week I showed you guys my brookie cookie testing recipe where I just talked a little bit about how making little tweaks to a recipe makes a huge difference. Well, here's the recipe, the brookie cookie. That's what we're going to be making today. Let's get stuck into the recipe. This cookie is really easy to do. You want to melt the chocolate and butter ahead of time. Let it cool down a little bit before you use it. To a separate bowl, you're going to mix all of your dry ingredients. Then to another bowl, you're going to add your eggs and your sugars, brown and white for this recipe. Now, like I said in my last video, I've actually added less sugar to this final recipe, so it's at the brink of how much sugar you can add less of. I wouldn't recommend adding less sugar than what I've added. You'll get a different recipe and a different cookie result. This recipe is a dessert, so it's going to be sweet, but it's not as sweet as most other brookies. Once you've mixed your eggs and sugar together and you've got it nice and fluffy, after about 5 minutes, it's going to look nice and thick and pale. You're going to add the chocolate in there a little bit first, mix it with the mixer, and then add the rest of the chocolate and continue mixing. Then add your dry ingredients and fold all of that through. It's really important that you work quickly at this point because this mixture is going to set really quickly. There's nothing wrong with that, it just makes it harder to work with. I'm using a cookie scoop, which is about 3 or 4 tablespoons in diameter, whatever you want to call it. It's 3 to 4 tablespoons worth of cookie mixture, and you're going to scoop 6 of these on top of a large baking sheet lined with baking paper. Then you're going to pop this in the oven for 8 minutes. These are really quick cookies to bake. Let them cool down for about 30 minutes before you try taking them off the baking tray, because these are really soft. And if you want to know how I get nice round cookies, I actually do this trick I learned from a baker called Cloudy Kitchen, and she uses a round cookie cutter a little bit bigger than the cookie to just kind of swivel around the cookie, and it gives you a nice perfectly round cookie. I hope you guys actually get to try this recipe. It's a really delicious chewy brookie brownie cookie recipe, and it's a crowd pleaser, so give it a go on the scranline.com. Print it for free. There's loads of other great recipes on there. I've also got savory recipes, you can go check them out. And if you want to see the videos, I've got the savory channel on the Scranline every day. So just search for that on YouTube and you'll be able to find it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scranline. Bye.